Man needs wealth, education, art, and many more things, and yet he lives for some kind of unbearable vengefulness. Without it, there would be no reason for his existence. His age becomes important, and his name vanishes into thin air. Tamanna conceived the story of Tamanna and Basavaya when all of a sudden Russia told America, "I'm not your enemy. I shall not wage a war against you." What must have been the reaction of America, the sworn enemy of Russia, to this declaration? Probably you will not understand the agony and boredom of America once it knew Russia was no more enemy. A nation is capable of withstanding strains like this, but a human being cannot. Samana says he suffered similar fate just like Russia and America. Samana gave up everything and started off. A few days after he left, Basavaya passed away. He had no more reason to leave. Manna was a tall figure, hair gone grey, long weak nose, and he was a laborer, overseer, and a philosopher. His eyes were suffused with strange memories and native intelligence. Uzma will explain you the summary.
Myself Uzma Banu, I am explaining the lesson The Gardener written by P. Lankesh. He is an Indian writer who has written this lesson in Kannada language and translated by H.S. Raghavendra Rao in English language. The lesson The Gardener written by P. Lankesh. It is a story of an old man whom the author met in Channaraya Patna. The old man has come from far away to work in a garden. The owner needed a person exactly like him. He was really useful for the owner. After the old man started working in the owner's garden, the owner's income has gradually increased. The owner has become very rich, but the owner has become very lazy. The owner's wife is thinking that the old man's arrival was better or worse. He decided to meet the old man. He went to the garden to meet the old man. Thus, the old man saw the owner's wife and brought a fresh coconut, and both of them sat on the embankment of the well. Then, the old man started narrating a story to the owner's wife. Once there was a village in that there are two friends, Tamanna and Basavaya. Tamanna bought 100 acres of land. Basavaya also bought 100 acres of land. That's how the competition has been begun between both of them. Tamanna has 15 friends and Basavaya has 10 friends. They are doing a healthy competition, but slowly this competition has turned into a rivalry. Tamanna has 1000 acres of land and Basavaya had 800 acres of land. Basavaya won 200 acres from Tamanna, but Tamanna refused to give it. So Basavaya forcibly acquires 200 acres lands of Tamanna. Tamanna advisor advised him to go to the law and ask for justice. And second advice was go to the police and file a complaint and get back the land. Third advice was we will also forcibly acquire our land how Basavaya has acquired. But Tamanna does not want to create a fight. So he got another idea. Tamanna started making up ballads. In that, he described the evil natures of Basavaya, how cruel he is, and started singing them. This made Tamanna popular in all over the villages. Basavaya cannot tolerate it and he also started singing, but it does not work. So then, Basavaya built a large mansion and called the villagers to praise him. But the villagers said, your house is incomplete because he does not have Tamanna's book. Without Tamanna's book, Basavaya house is incomplete. Basavaya feel very sad and he called scholars, poets, and musicians to complete his house. Then Basavaya thought if Tamanna died, then there will be no competitor to compete him and he will be the winner. Later, Basavaya thought bad for Tamanna, but it happened for himself. Basavaya only died. Then there is no competitors in Tamanna's life. After her death, Tamanna left all his property, went far away from the village. Her all songs and ballads was once famous become a non-entity. The old man himself, Tamanna. Tamanna feels sad that he lost his friend. The story is that man had to adapt to the situation, otherwise he could not. I, Uzma Banu of Sakim PUC, I acknowledge my heartfelt gratitude to my mom, Arsha Tabassum, who is always motivating us towards creativity and inspiring us towards success. It was highly difficult to complete this task without her help. Thank you so much, mom, for your kind help, and thank you everyone.